Hello friends, welcome to Nursing Guide. Today we are going to discuss about RRB exam MCQ. Our first question is bone marrow transplantation is a treatment option in option A thalassemia, option B leukemia, option C aplastic anemia, option D all of this. The correct answer is option D. Bone marrow transplantation is a treatment thalassemia, leukemia, and aplastic anemia. Next, delayed cord clamping is contraindicated in option A. Baby born to an anemic mother. B. Baby with a birth weight of more than 3 kg. Option C. RH incompatibility. Option D. Preterm baby. And the correct answer is option C, RH incompatibility. Delayed cord clamping is contraindicated in RH incompatibility. Next, thalassemia is characterized by thalassemia is characterized by the defect in the synthesis of option A beta globulin, option B alpha globulin, option C gamma globulin, and option D delta globulin. The correct answer is option A beta globulin. Thalassemia is characterized by the defect in synthesis of beta globulin. Next, isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment for which of the following disease? Option A anemia, option B cancer, option C goiter, option D AIDS. And the correct answer is option B cancer. Isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment for which of the following disease? This is the cancer disease. Next, thrombocytopenia is a clinical manifestation of option A dengue hemorrhagic fever, option B idiopathic thrombocytopenia purpura, option C leukemia, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. Thrombocytopenia's clinical manifestation is dengue hemorrhagic fever, idiopathic thrombocytopenia purpura, and leukemia. Next, what is the ideal length of insertion of a rectal suppository in an adult? Option A 2 inches beyond the internal sphincter, option B 4 inches beyond the internal sphincter, option C 9 inches beyond the internal sphincter, and option D 10 inches beyond the internal sphincter. And the correct answer is option B 4 inches beyond the internal sphincter. 4 inches beyond the internal sphincter is the ideal length of insertion of a rectal suppository in an adult patient. Next, which of the following nursing intervention is incorrect when using the Z-track method of injection? Option A. Prepare the injection site with alcohol. Option B. Use a needle that is at least 1 inch long. Option C. Aspirate for blood before injection. Option D. Rub the injection site vigorously after the injection. The correct answer is option D. Rub the injection site vigorously after the injection. This is the method of incorrect in Z-track injection method. Prepare the injection site with alcohol. Use a needle that is at least 1 inch long. Aspirate for blood before injection. This is the appropriate method for Z-track method injection. Next, the most common cause of embolism is option A thrombus, option B air bubbles, option C atheromatous debris, option D bone marrow fragment. The correct answer is option A thrombus. The most common cause of embolism is thrombus. Next, the choice of coagulation study for a person who is on warfarin therapy. Option A PT, option B INR, option C APTT, and option D platelet count. And the correct answer is option B, INR. The choice of coagulation study for a person who is on warfarin therapy is INR. Next, Down syndrome is also known as option A, trisomy 13, option B, trisomy 18, option C, trisomy 21, and option D, monosomy 13. And the correct answer is option C, trisomy 21 is called as Down syndrome also. Next, which cranial nerve is responsible for controlling eye movement? Option A, cranial nerve 3rd, option B, cranial nerve 5th, option C, cranial nerve 7th, option D, cranial nerve 10th. The correct answer is option A, cranial nerve 3rd is the responsible for controlling eye movement. Next, which of the following colored container must be used for discarding human anatomical waste in hospital? Option A, yellow, option B, red, option C, blue, option D, black. The correct answer is option A, yellow. The yellow color container must be used for discarding human anatomical waste in hospitals. Next, catgut is made from the intestine of option A, pig, option B, human, option C, sheep, option D, all of above. And the correct answer is option C, sheep. Catgut is made from the intestine of sheep. Catgut is the suturing material. Next, the most appropriate time for the nurse to obtain a sputum specimen for culture is option A, early in the morning, option B, after the patient eat a light breakfast, option C, after aerosol therapy, option D, after chest physiotherapy. And the correct answer is option A, early in the morning. Early in the morning, the most appropriate time for the nurse to obtain a sputum specimen for the culture. Next, the solution used to disinfect the bed linen of an HIV positive patient is option A, Dettol, option B, Lysol, option C, Savlon, and option D, sodium hypochlorite. And the correct answer is option D, sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite is the solution used to disinfect the bed linen of an HIV positive patient. Next, the most important hormone secreted by the pineal gland is option A, thyroxine, option B, melatonin, option C, androgen, and option D, parahormones. And the correct answer is option B, melatonin. The most important hormone secreted by pineal gland is melatonin. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.